And welcome back, guys, to the next episode of Straight 6 Auto Parts. Again, we're here in the best state in the whole United States, California. So today we have 2015 BMW M4 that came to us from Florida. The car has 48,000 miles on it. The condition is just pristine. A little bit rust on it because it's from the East Coast, but overall it's immaculate, especially the interior. As you can see, the color is white and inside it is cloth interior, which is pretty cool. We got this car like a couple days ago. It was sitting on a parking lot, then we took it inside, swapped the oil cooler, we started the engine, which is good. Basically here it is, ready for part out, because we tested the engine, we tested pretty much everything in good working condition. So we are ready to get it inside and we will get started. But before we'll do that, let's go ahead and I will show you details about the car, what kind of options we have, what we can take from it, and what you can get for your BMW. Either it can be 4 series, 3 series, something else, doesn't matter. Most of these parts will fit on your car. So let's go. So we don't know the damage because the insurance company took everything out and now it looks clean, just missing bumper, like the core support, the reinforcement, everything, radiators, fan, and basically everything up to the engine. So what we did, we installed those. That's the oil cooler, engine oil cooler, and transmission oil cooler. We installed those, so now the car is good. We started the car, which is beautiful. We also changed the oil, of course, because there was almost no oil, like couple quarts of oil. So then what we have. Headlights, LED headlights for the PLCI 4 series. It can be M3 or M4 or any 4 series without headlights. Then the cool feature that I like about this car the most, almost, wheels and interior, but we'll get to the interior later. Wheels, so it's the original M4 racing wheels, which is the best, lightest wheels you can get. They're even lighter than the Apexes. Well, they 18, so basically you can install them on any of your cars. It can be E90, F30, F80, any cars. And the tires are pretty wide. It's 285 on the back and 255 in the front, so which is cool. On the back we'll have no damage whatsoever. It's the original, everything stock exhaust with the silver tips because it's not the competition package. PLCI tail lights, one of them got damage in here. Stock trunk lid, nothing artificial in here. Same set of wheels on this side, so they're all good, no damage to them. A little bit of car brush in here, but overall it looks good. And also Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires in the front and all season Michelins on the back. Why? Because we don't have any more of those. Michelin stopped making those super sports, so there is no way you can get them new, and those you can still buy them new. It's the Michelin Pilot AS 3 Plus or something like that. So that's the mileage, 48,489. In comfort access, beautiful, nice mirrors. Unfortunately, with no cameras, no 360 view, and welcome inside. So as I said, the interior is pretty clean, and also like this is the common problem, it's peeling off, but this one, it's got original sticker on it. Look at it, immaculate condition. A little bit, no, nothing, not even a little bit, no wear whatsoever on the seats, looks like new. Everything beautiful condition, door handle, everything good. Harman Kardon sound system, which is cool. I kind of like those door panels, a little bit dirty, we'll clean them, it will come off, everything good. So steering wheel, yes, couple, oh it's not, it's just dirty, so we will clean it up. Steering wheel airbag is good, carbon fiber trim, DC transmission, NVT navigation, beautiful. Unfortunately this one is not Canapa leather, but you can still move it, it's still M4. And since it's the M4, these seats are folding and you can get on the back. On the back we have Harman Kardon sound system as well, same cloth seats, lower portion is clean, everything is clean, I like it. Also, the other option, sometimes M4 and M3 they come with the carbon fiber roof. This one with the sunroof, which is just a regular one, as you can see in here. Let's get on the passenger side from the other side. Passenger side, so everything clean in here as well, everything immaculate condition, beautiful. I like it, like that type of cars. Thank previous owner for taking care of the car. Nice interior, clean condition, shifter, no cracks whatsoever, NVT navigation, all good. ID4 probably because 2015. And so basically everything clean, everything good condition. Seats are heated also, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and start the car while it's here. Jump box on, everything on. The only thing we don't have the coolant, but we have oil, so we are good to go ahead and start the car. Have a key in here. Woo, nice. So let's wait for a couple minutes, let it get warm a little bit, and we will rev it up. Oh, by the way, we have headlights on, so they're good. Yep, this one is good. Let's turn it on. Beautiful, nice. Okay, so we have the engine almost warm. It was working for a couple minutes. We cannot wait longer because we don't have a coolant. So let's rev it up a little bit. Sounds good. All good, of course, not smoking, everything good. So I think at this point I like the car, I like the condition. We are ready to get the car inside and we will start taking it apart. And if you guys need any of those parts, DM us on Instagram. Let's go ahead and get it inside. Okay guys, so M4 is inside and it's actually almost done. Not almost, I would say halfway through. So basically we did the whole interior. Look at this, nothing. We even sucked out the gas from it. No headliner, we still have curtain airbags that we need to remove. Besides that, need to open the hood. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to put this hood on the 340 that we just recently got. Because look, we just need the hood, and here's the hood with that bump. Actually, this is the M3. It will fit for that. Oh, maybe not. No, actually, hood is the same. Yeah, all should be good. So maybe we should throw that hood on that 340 is gonna be good to go. We'll think about it. So also, we still have those radiators in here that's been installed by me just to start up the car. And this is the transmission oil cooler, and this is the engine oil cooler at the bottom. And the common problem for all of these M4 M cars, I would say, once you hit something like under the car, that oil cooler is always getting damaged and oil coming out of the engine. That's the end of the story. The engine is getting seized or at least knocking, and that's how we lost like at least 3 engines S55. Please guys, be careful. Also, there is aftermarket like the underbody splash shield available, like aluminum one I believe, that's gonna protect your oil cooler. It's not that expensive at the beginning, like couple $100, but it will help you if you're gonna hit something like underbody of your car, like rock or something on the freeway. Yeah, so we're in the process of doing this car. We actually did the rear end as well, so we have nothing on the back. The whole rear end came out, and here is the drive shaft. That's the carbon fiber from M4. M4 is actually unique compared to 3 Series, M3. This piece is different on M3 compared to M4. Subframe, by the way, it's the same on M3, M4. I made it so complicated. So, drive shaft is unique for M4 only. Rear subframe and control arms, they're the same on M3 as well. We still have that F22 red interior in here. Oh yeah, here is our seats. By the way, we have S63 engine here in the middle. And here is our cloth seats for the M4. We might have a buyer for it. It's one of us, actually. It's Cole wants to buy those seats for his E92, 2007 E92 on the manual transmission. We'll see if he will decide to take them. I hope not. I hope not. I would rather sell to somebody else, like you guys. Anyway, so let us keep working at M4. We got the muffler out, by the way. If somebody wants to get quad exhaust on their F30 335 or even N20 328, you're more than welcome to get that stock muffler and weld it back to your car. We're gonna keep working tomorrow. What else we need to take out from here? This is done. This is done. This is done. So tomorrow is gonna be planned to finish the interior, like to remove everything else, like the dashboard, curtain airbags, sunshade thing, how do you call it, sunroof cover, and then we will prepare everything in the front to remove the headlights, oil coolers, fenders, and then by the end of the day I hope we can take the engine out of this one, so it's gonna be available. We actually have S55 available, one of them 22,000 miles. DCT transmission is actually sold, but this is gonna be available transmission, DCT. That's the only one that we have in stock. Yeah, let's go home right now, and I will see you guys tomorrow, like in 3 seconds. Okay guys, so we almost get this M4 done, and let me show you where we're at as far as the process. And we got the engine out, and let's go over. So here is our engine, and as I can see from here, all looks good, intact, no damage to it. So the damage was in the front, and it's all good. Also, all parts are stock, no aftermarket, nothing like that. Stock turbochargers, stock downpipes, stock everything. DCT transmission, all looks good. A little bit rusted for that mileage because the car came from East Coast, and that's the common problem for all of them. So let's have a look at the car. So that's what it is. We just need to remove the fenders, fender liners, the hood with the hinges, and basically that's gonna be it. Also, maybe we will cut the quarter from this one. Also, yeah, rear bumper, trunk lid, shuttle line in here. Yeah, quite a bit parts left still in the car. So that's what we'll do right now. We'll set the engine aside and keep going with the car, so to get rid of the body. Oh yeah, that is the black sunroof cover, the black one, and also sunroof. Let's keep going. Oh, by the way, here we have all the parts from M5. That's basically that we were able to save from that M5. Also on top of that transmission, and here is the engine and couple wheels. Yeah, so let's keep going with the M4. Okay, that's gonna be it. We have to say bye-bye to that M4 that we parked out, the white one. It is what we have left, basically. Nothing left on it. Some trash inside, and we still have some parts inside as far as the engine and everything else. So this is gonna be our like the next project. It's the 340 2016, I believe. Yes, that's the 16 M340. So basically we need to replace the hood, we need to replace the windshield, and that portion, and then the car is gonna be good to go. And also we just got this one that came to us. It was good car, everything was complete in the front. The only damage was on this side, and we bought this car especially for one of our customers who was looking for those parts because they're unique. It's the 2018 430 all-wheel drive, and the whole suspension, control arms and everything, they're unique for this type of car, for the convertible all-wheel drive. That's why we bought it for him, and he took what he needs to take, and here is what we have left. He took pretty much everything from the front, and he even swapped the whole suspension. Oh, here is the difference on the convertible, those two pins, and it's the all-wheel drive subframe. So he even swapped the door because this one has some damage, I assume. I don't see anything, but it is what it is. We'll get this car inside right now. It's gonna be like a day for us to take it apart, and then the next one is gonna be this one, 335 IS convertible, white convertible with red interior, DCT transmission, those 19 wheels original for 335 IS only. Super light, super nice, everything good on the back, LCI tail lights, and everything good from this side. And yes, I will show you everything in the next video. As of now, we're good to go, and we'll get the car inside. If you guys need any parts, as always, DM us on Instagram. We don't sell anything in here on YouTube, but
we would appreciate you if you leave the like button down below, if you hit that down below. Follow us on Instagram, you will get more content.